Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So of course, like everybody else during quarantine, we couldn't get our nails done, eyebrows done, eyelashes, whatever. So I went on Amazon, and of course I got Amazon's Choice LED light. Of course I haven't opened it. I'm going to test this out, and of course I got the gel nail polish. So I'm excited to test this out just because I actually looked at my credit card statements and saw how much I was paying for getting my nails done with nail costs and tip, and I was like, you know what? Let me just do my nails at home and save some money. And of course, the amount that I paid for these two products is basically one payment of getting my nails done, basically. So I got 18, well technically 16 colors, total of 18 because of the top and the base coat. So I'm excited to try these colors out. Of course, I got a variety of different colors. So let's get into it. Alright, of course this is the LED lamp, and I have 99 seconds, 60 seconds, and 30 seconds on there. Of course I'm going to try the 99 seconds just to be on the safe side, just to make sure my nails are set and good and dry. So I'm going to start out using, of course, the base coat, and I chose this sort of lavender color, so let's test it out. Alright, I just got done doing this one hand I want to test out. Of course, I had to do a little trial and error with the light. Apparently I was going too far into the light, so my nails weren't dry and they were coming out tacky once the timers were done. So I only went a little bit into the light, and of course I did do the timers multiple times just to be on the safe side, so I knew they were set, sealed, and dried. Other than that, I really like using this product. Of course, my nails look okay. I'm not a nail tech person. If a nail tech person saw my hands, they'll probably be like, did a 5th grader paint your nails? But other than that, I think I will definitely be using this product again just because it's at my house. I can use it anytime I want to. If I want to fix one nail, or if I want to do a whole color change, I can do it at my house. And only paid, I think, $44 for the light and about, I think, $20 or $30 for the nail set. So I just paid that one price for all this products, and I can use it at any time. I have checked my credit card bills a couple of times whenever I went to a nail salon, and what I have paid for just 1 year alone was a couple $1,000s. So I will be saving lots of money, so I'll be using this. Until next time, bye guys.